if map has key primary, what it's going to do, it's going to write this code, so it will extend the code here. It will extend to button. And the next thing, what it will do, it will use the background color, which is the map get. Okay, map get, then we get primary, since we are using primary. So the next thing, I'm just going to copy this here, and we create another class known as main. So all we do, we select, we do main, and main. So the other thing we do is we create another class known as warning. So I'll just do this, I'll just do warning and warning and warning. So as you can see, we've used these extend keywords. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to save these code and see if it will work in our, and just a minute, if it will be if it will be rendered to our app.css. So I'm going to save the code. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check here, and as you can see guys, okay, we got a problem here. So as you can see, all these has been rendered, button, primary, and blah blah blah. So all these is rendered. So we get a problem here, so I'm going to fix this. So what I'm going to do, we can check on browse and see some of the changes made. So you can see here, there's change here, we've made a change here, so it's good, but our outline is not working. And what else? Okay, so guys, I think this it has rendered as expected, since it will extend the button class here in the warning, then it will render out our background. So let us monitor our code here. So yeah, it has rendered everything. So it was rendered button, primary, main, and warning, giving it a class of here. Then it is rendered again, it is written our code here, like button focus, primary focus, main focus, warning focus, button active, primary active, main active, warning active, and it is given an outline of hidden. So I think our outline should be none so that it can work. So let's do that. So when we save our file, when we come here, we'll see the same changes has been done. So we'll just go and check our browser. As you can see, our outline, it's not being shown. So what I'm going to do again, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to add in a code here. We do like pointer, cursor, and when we save this, Okay, oh sorry, cursor. Then we do pointer. Okay, what's the problem? Params import found unreadable, blah 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 blah, line 1. So just a minute, when we do this, it's rendering, and when we do cursor pointer, so what's the problem? Cursor, yeah, it's just rendered. So we're going to, after CSS, we'll see cursor pointer. When we come to browser, cursor, it's pointer. So guys, as you can see here, that's how we use extend to extend our code inside another class. Like if you have a class of pattern, you can use extend to borrow some style from color example. If you have default pattern, you can use extend to borrow the default pattern its styles, and you can use this pattern in another class by using extend. So guys, this is how we use extend directive in our SCSS or sass file. So the next tutorial, guys, will be about just what we've done here is inheritance chain and inheritance with extend. So this is here, it's inheritance with extend, and here we've done inheritance chain, since we're inheriting this and we're inheriting this into this pattern. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do multiple inheritance in our next video. So I hope I'll see you in the next video, and hope you enjoyed this series. And I'm going to divide this video into small part so that it can be not tiresome to watch. So thank you guys for watching, and have a good